Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this little icon. In order to go back to the standard size screen, just click on this X one instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!